Here we have Spirit the Eagle, on a mission to get his student ID. Upon entry, he heads for the admissions and cashier office. Spirit approaches the counter and requests to have his picture taken. The nice gentleman gestures to the chair, and Spirit takes a seat. After adjusting some feathers, Spirit smiles and is ready to have his picture taken. In a few moments, his ID is ready to go. Spirit takes his ID in hand. He can now log into the school's computers, access the library databases, as well as his student email. Spirit triumphantly walks into the distance. Now, if only he had a pocket to put his ID in.